Hello, I'm Simon and welcome to another ConversionWorks film. Today we're going to talk about customer connection points. One of the questions we frequently get from converters is how and where do I pick up a 12-volt power source? Every single Ford Transit or Ford Transit Custom has got two customer connection points conveniently placed on the outboard side of the driver's seat. One has a permanent feed and the other is controlled by the base vehicle. The variable customer connection point ensures that the base vehicle retains its power to operate safely. So I really encourage you to read the body and equipment mounting manual to robustly design your system to retain the base vehicle warranty. For this and any other questions, please contact my team at the address below. This has been another ConversionWorks film. I'm Simon, and see you soon.